Despite improved treatment options over the last 2 decades, cancer remains a major healthcare concern. Although 1 in 4 deaths are the result of cancer, the initial or primary cancer is rarely fatal. Most deaths are the result of the cancer migrating through the body in a process called metastasis. The method by which cancer cells migrate through the body shares many similarities to the movement of white blood cells in an immune response. A special family of proteins called chemokines controls the movement of immune cells. Chemokines are present in organs such as the lymph nodes, bone marrow, liver, and lungs. One such chemokine, called SDF1, has the ability to attract white blood cells. White cells can sense areas rich in SDF1 by using a special receptor on their surface called CXCR4. In a sense, SDF1 works like a chemical beacon by mobilizing white blood cells where they are needed to fight infection or destroy foreign agents. Unfortunately, many invasive cancers share the same CXCR4 receptor as white blood cells. In fact, recent studies have shown this receptor to be consistently found on at least 23 different cancers. The presence of the CXCR4 receptor gives tumors the potential to migrate to distant organs rich in SDF1. In response to signals from SDF1, some cancer cells break away from the primary site and travel via the lymphatic system or blood vessels towards sources of chemokines such as the lymph nodes, liver, lungs, or bone marrow. These cells can begin to grow into a new tumor, similar to the primary cancer but in a new location. This migration process is called metastasis. Since traditional chemotherapy becomes less effective on metastasized cancers, it is critical to prevent the spread of cancer using new approaches. Researchers at Chemokine Therapeutics are focused on the development of a new generation of anti-cancer drugs that target CXCR4. Unlike poison-based chemotherapeutic drugs with unpleasant side effects, our drug candidates are designed to interfere with cancer cell complexing with SDF1 by blocking the CXCR4 receptor. Cancer cells, having lost the ability to home in on SDF1, are incapable of invading new sites and may become more susceptible to traditional treatments or undergo cell death due to apoptosis. The prevention of metastasis by blocking CXCR4 is an attractive new strategy in the treatment of cancer. Chemokine Therapeutics is a research leader in this field.